I cry anytime I remember how Fubara betrayed me. Wike. Welcome, country people, to Synok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification button. E go give you alert once we drop updates. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. Country people, the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Nyesom Wike, for a monthly media parley, he don talk among many things, say he dey moved to cry anytime he dey think on how Siminalayi Fubara, the suspended governor of Rivers State, take betrayal. As in dey talk for the media briefing, Wike say Fubara make himself a tool for the people when he wan fight am, but dem no know how dem go take do so directly. The FCT minister come talk say the suspended governor, he betray am when he choose to work with the people when he want him downfall. He say true, he play major role for Fubara to become the governor of Rivers State. Wike can describe the situation like a son when he go plan with armed robbers to come rob the father. He say the resolution to the problem for Rivers State e dey for Fubara hand. He say because himself he dey ready for reconciliation if the governor true he want genuine peace. He say Fubara don give himself as a tool for the people when he wan fight am, that is im political enemies. He say but dem no get the courage to come fight am directly. He say sometimes when he go back to im quiet moment, he go dey play the video of the speeches wey the governor dey make when he dey go round. He say im go dey feel like to cry. He say all those things when the governor dey talk for all those places is whether dem dey necessary. He say this na somebody when he bring you, he give you food and everything. He say then you come choose to become a tool for im enemies to take fight am. He say we all na human being. When people say make there be peace, he say nobody say peace no go dey o. He say but how you go feel when you know wetin you pass through when you take send your pikin go school to make am somebody for life, and then all of a sudden your son with other people come your house with arms to come kpai you. He say na something wey you go just forget. He say im don dey tell people when e no understand wetin betrayal mean, that this betrayal e dey 10 times more than that one. He say this na im prayer. He say im talk am say im want peace. He say but then the peace wey you want go dey genuine, and the person he go take steps to achieve that peace. Wetin come be the quarrel between Wike and Fubara? Wike, the former governor of Rivers State, he talk am say he play major role for how Fubara take come become governor. Like several people testify, Fubara na accountant general for Rivers State Civil Service. na the governor na single-handedly come pick am say na im go be im successor as the governor of the state. Even at that point, when e be like say the state no get challenge with federal authorities, report come allegedly say the governor then, Nyesom Wike, he come keep Fubara for government house because of the immunity wey e dey enjoy, make dem no fit touch Fubara until the election, and when Fubara come become the governor to enjoy immunity. But the relationship between the two, e come turn sour because of the political control of the state. This quarrel wey dem get come cause big division for the state, and this division dem come see am for the Rivers State House of Assembly, where plenty suits for court come dey come. Plenty threats come flood the media space until March 18, when President Bola Tinubu come declare state of emergency for the state because of the political crisis. That state of emergency speech wey the president make, e come suspend Fubara as governor of the state, Ngozi Odu, the deputy governor, and all members of the Rivers Assembly for an initial period of 6 months. The president come appoint Ibok Ete Ibas, one retired naval chief, as the sole administrator of the state. And na the 6 months so don dey count dey go, and the talk now come dey be whether similarly Fubara go come back or they go extend the 6 months again, because e come be like say the peace moves, e dey start, e dey quench, and all the kind of talk when e dey come out, like wetin Minister Nyesom Wike dey talk now, e come dey be like say the problem e never dey ready to go under. Now oyibo dey call intractable. So this one now, when the minister dey talk, na clue say after 6 months the matter go still dey for ground, or before that 6 months, when e don dey near well well now, they go don find peace. And this peace now, e come be like conditional peace for Fubara in deputy and the legislature to go back to their different offices for the state. Country people, this story when Minister Wike dey talk, e still dey remember the betrayal allegedly when Fubara betray am, and e dey make am dey cry. E go let healing take place. So Nigerians as usual, they say different things concerning the matter. Why some persons they say Fubara too quick fight who bring am, others they say na so Wike do others, that according to Oyibo talk, what goes around comes around. Say Wike do Amechi, and so now wetin Wike do them, na somebody too dey do am, make e know how e dey pay. But this fight of the elephants now, Rivers people dey suffer am. Any hope say shortly peace go dey Rivers true true, una see am.